Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, 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 mind. Would I leave if
Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. So you guys, I'm so excited because first of all, I'm literally on a schedule now. I'm going to be posting every Tuesday and Thursday for you guys. And I'm not playing. I'm not going off the schedule. I'm telling you right now. Even though it's about to be exam week, but you know, I'ma have it together, okay? Just for y'all, okay? So anyways, let's just get into this video. Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Like I said before, I don't know why I had to repeat it, but today's video is going to be all about this hair on my head right now. Listen, I made a video the other day on, well, an Insta story, and I'm gonna put it right here.
Ooh, I'm glowing. Ooh, I'm glowing.
And literally, you guys, like y'all just saw, I was cute. It was a quick second of a video, but I was cute and everybody was asking me, oh, what you did to your hair, girl? Give me the hair details. So I had to give it to y'all. So the hair I have in my head is actually crochet hair. I actually probably, if y'all want a video on how I did this updo kind of thing, I'll show y'all in another video. But for right now, I'm just going to tell y'all all about this hair. So the hair I got is the ZURY Naturally Star Crochet braiding hair. It is in the style Water Wave and it is in the number 2. It's the V8.9.10 one pack. One pack is enough, you guys, for a V-shaped finish styled. Now, I really didn't understand what they meant by V-shaped finish style. I was a little confused about that. I didn't get it. But, you know, it's whatever. You know, it still turned out really cute. What I did, though, is I put the longest length on the bottom, which was the 10, and then I put the 9, and then I put the 8 at the top. And I'll show y'all actually in a second. I'm going to take this down and I'm going to show you guys how I have it and the different ways I can part it and whatnot. And I'm also going to show you guys how I crochet it in, because I just got one probably that I can just put in the front, and I'm going to show you guys so y'all can see how easy it is. But anyways, yeah, I literally used the whole pack. The only thing I actually had left was this much. That's 1, 2, about four little pieces left, and that is nothing, barely anything. And the whole pack was great. Like literally, my hair is so full, it's so great, it's so cute. And the funny thing is, I'm also going to insert a clip right here so y'all can see my mom. My mom actually came over last night and I did the same style in her head. Why she want to copy me so much? Okay, why? Like, let me have this hairstyle, okay? She was like, put it up in the updo. I was like, no, this is where I draw the line, okay? I'm the updo queen right now, okay? You can be the down do queen right now, and then we can switch later on, okay? But anyways, yeah, the clip. No, I'm gonna do a video instead of a picture so that way I can like it better. What? Hurry up.
You doing a video now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Twins. Mine looks shorter than yours too.
It is.
And it's the same hair. So yeah, the weird thing about her hair though, I literally used the same pack. And oh, I forgot to tell y'all, this was only $15. $15. But like I was saying, her hair was a little bit longer in the front. I I did her order a little different. I did the short on the bottom, and then I did the 8 on the bottom for her, the 9 in the middle, and the 10 on top for her. But like I told y'all, I did the 10 on the bottom for me. And I don't know, I really liked hers a lot more than mine, but I'm gonna show y'all how mine look. And like you saw in the clip, you saw the difference kind of. It's just a little difference. Mine is just a little shorter in the front. But I'm going to take this down right now, and I'm going to show y'all how to install it, and I'm going to show y'all how mine looks. So give me 1 second.
You were everything I wanted you to be. When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery.
So I don't usually wear my part. Actually, I do wear my part on this side. I don't know what I'm about to say. Now, I've had this hair in since Thursday, and today is Monday. It's a little frizzy, but I like it because that makes the hair a little bit bigger and puffier, and it just looks cuter to me. I actually have not been wearing it in this side part, but I did my baby hairs a little bit. I might do them a little bit more. When I do my baby hairs, I use a little Got To Be glue. This is some good styling gel, even though my baby hairs be stuck for a couple days. But you know, just get a little tiny bit, because a little bit goes a long way, I'm telling you. Now, also, like I told y'all about the frizz, it's just a little bit, but sometimes if I see some, I literally just cut it off. Like, that's it. If it's too much and it look nappy-ish, I literally take my scissors and cut it off, cause I'm not finna play these games. Like, I don't care enough for it. So yeah. So this is one way I can wear it. But I also can wear it in the middle. Which is also pretty cute. A little bit of frizz right here. And last but not least, I can also wear it on this side, but I'm only going to toss it to this side for a second so I can show you guys how I put the crochet in. A little bit more frizz right here. How many days did I say this has been in? This has actually been in since Thursday, and today's Monday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Almost basically 5 days. That's really nothing. It's really nothing, but I feel like crochet doesn't really need to stay in that long. And I'm not going to keep it in that long. I'm telling y'all right now. It was $15, so I'm not gonna stress over it. But let me see where I can add one little twist. This is actually not a part. I mean, it is, but I'm going to zoom in for you guys, and I'm going to install one of the crochets so y'all can see it. I actually used this crochet needle, just a regular one that I got. I don't even know how much it was. It probably was like $1 at the hair store. And yeah, so let me zoom in so you guys can see how I do this. I take the crochet hair right here, and all I do is literally put it up under the braid, put the hair on the crochet needle. Close it. Take it back through. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you guys want to see how I put my hair up into that pineapple like that and style it. I could probably do a couple more styles with it to make it cute. Just when the crochet gets older and you can't just wear it down in the cute styles that you're used to and what you like. I know what I forgot to mention. I forgot to mention also that this hair is pre-layered because of the different lengths. It is layered and you don't have to cut it yourself, so that is actually a pretty good thing, because I don't really know how to cut anything low-key, so yeah, especially curly hair. I don't know how to layer curly hair, so that was a blessing in disguise. Other than that, I really enjoy this hair. I'm so happy to have it, especially for the cheap price of $15.99, you know. And I probably will be doing this more often because usually I don't wear crochet hair, like curls and stuff like that. So this is my first time and this was a really good first impression. So my voice just got really annoying, so it's time for me to go and stop talking about it. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Okay, you know, I think it's right there. I think so. But you know, yeah, thanks for watching, and Queen Beauty out.